Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering WAEC 2020 Chemistry Objective Past Question 38. If 20 cm cube of sodium hydroxide was neutralized by 20 cm cube of 0.01 moles per dm cube tetraoxosulfate 6 acid, what is the concentration of the solution? A 0.010, B 0.020, C 0.100, D 0.150. So this right here is a neutralization reaction. A neutralization reaction involving sodium hydroxide and tetraoxosulfate 6 acid. So we are asked for the concentration of the solution. So let's first of all write the equation of reaction. So the equation of the reaction will involve tetraoxosulfate 6 acid H2SO4 reacting with sodium hydroxide to yield sodium tetraoxosulfate 6, a salt, and water. So this is the reaction. So to balance the reaction, you have 2 moles of this and 2 moles of water. So this is the equation of the reaction. Now the molar ratio of both reactants is 1:2. 1:2, that is the molar ratio. So in order to solve this, we'll use this formula CAVA over CBVB is equal to Na over Nb. So Ca is the concentration of the acid. So concentration of acid is 0.01 moles per dm cube. Va is volume of acid, 20 cm cube. Cb is what we are looking for, unknown. Vb is 20 cm cube. Na is this 1 and Nb is this 2. So if we are going to look for Cb and make it the subject of the formula, what we'll have is Cb is equal to CAVANB over VBNA. So if we input the values, what we have is 0.01 times 20 times 2 over 20 times 1. And if you compute this, you get 0.020, and 0.020 is option B. So option B is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.